do a little walk around. It's a beautiful sunny day. So this Thruxton R is a 2017, and it has obviously the fairing on it and the lower clip-ons, which it's part of the kit I've talked about before, previous video. So that actually lowers your stance down about 2 inches. The other standard bars come up around here. Yeah, so very comfortable. But even with these lower like this, it's still pretty comfortable. It's not horrible, although after about an hour I do get a little bit of a tingling in my hand. But it is what it is. I wouldn't call it a long distance bike by any means, right? It's a sport bike. So I love all the different alloy shades on here. I know, I actually read one critique where the guy was like, there's too many different colors of alloy. And I think that's the whole point, right? You've got the brushed steel, here on the gas tank, and up here you've got the chrome around the gauge bezels. On the engine you've got different alloy. You've got bronze, and there's some bronze here. Like I mentioned in my introductory video too, I've got the Vance and Hines slip-ons. Had the catalytic converter removed and replaced with an X pipe. Makes the sound just phenomenal. I love it. Got the Brimbos, both sides here. The stopping power on this bike is phenomenal. Shocks back here, the Ohlins, 3-way adjustable. So we have this damper, rebound, and we've got this. You need a spanner wrench for, a couple of spanner wrenches, and just the spring rate, which is really good for the adjustables of course are good for track, but the spring rate adjusting is great for pillion riding or passenger riding. I had these added on, and I have a different two up seat for a passenger, so just in case I'm going to take my girlfriend on a cruise. What else? Spoke rims, kind of retro touch there. Fake carburetors. That's actually, Triumph did a good job making it look like a real carburetor. And some people think that's kind of funny, but I like it. The whole point of this bike is retro, right? Alcantara seat. Red stitching, beautiful touch. I think it's just a gorgeous bike. Triumph just hit it out of the park with this one. I don't know where they'd go with this, to tell you the truth. I just keep building this one, Triumph. Got the Pirelli Corsa Rosas on here. Really nice, aggressive, sticky tire. Pretty much a track tire, right? Corsa Rosso, I guess it's not Rosa. It's like a Harry Potter thing, I think, right? What else is going on with this thing? Got the adjustable inverted forks up front. These are the same forks, actually, that were on my GSX-R. Exact same forks. So, I love that silver. I insisted on the silver. The dealership where I got this had a few different colors other than silver. And I said, nope, I gotta have the silver. Order me one. And they did. They were great about getting me what I wanted. So I was happy, and I'm still thrilled with it. Every single time I throw a leg over this bike, every single time, it feels like the first time. It's just a really great riding experience. They say they don't build soul into cars or bikes anymore. Well, try a Triumph. This thing's got character, it's got soul. I've never owned an Italian bike. I'd like to. Oh, look at this place. It's gated. You know what? We're gonna come up here and gate crash. I hope you enjoyed that walk around, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe, guys.